So in this video, we're going to be talking about magnetism in laboratory grown diamonds. I'm Julia, the gemologist from the Gem Academy, and welcome to my YouTube channel, the place for gem and jewellery professionals who would like to learn more about laboratory grown diamonds. Laboratory grown diamonds, or synthetic diamonds, are artificially produced diamonds. They have essentially the same properties to natural diamonds. However, due to their growth methods, they might exhibit slightly different properties. And that's particularly true when it comes to testing. But one of my favourites is magnetism. Testing for magnetism is a really quick additional thing to do to help us identify laboratory grown diamonds. It's not the laboratory grown diamonds themselves that are magnetic, but rather it's the inclusions that are trapped within them. Not all types of laboratory grown diamonds can show magnetism. It's those that are specifically grown through HPHT synthesis. Magnetic inclusions can occur within these HPHT laboratory grown diamonds because these are formed within a metallic flux, and this can become incorporated in the growing crystal, and the metallic flux is magnetic. To check for magnetism, we need a rare earth element magnet, such as a neodymium magnet, and this will attract the stones that contain enough metallic flux within them. Magnetism only occurs if the inclusions are big enough in relation to the stone, or if there's enough of them within a single stone. Overall, this can be a really cool additional test to do if you think you've got metallic flux in a stone. This can be a great way to confirm that. Although this is a common reaction within HPHT laboratory grown diamonds, it's certainly not the majority of them because most of these stones actually have pretty good clarity of Si1 and above, and that's not enough inclusions to see a clear reaction. If the stone is not magnetic, it still could be laboratory grown. Further tests are required. If you work with diamonds, subscribe to this YouTube channel and consider doing one of my online courses. I hope you enjoyed this video by the Gem Academy. Feel free to ask me questions, and I'll see you next Tuesday for more on laboratory grown diamonds. Take care, and I'll see you soon.